Okay, and UK said that she's going to insult her. That's so disrespectful. That means
Wow, editorial sister don't come outside. Life of KEMZY. She don't come outside. Don't give her back to UK when say they insult her mom. This one, if I chop me. Hello, my beautiful people. I greet you now. Yes, you know, pardon my voice. In fact, my sister and my daughter just did a little bit down. Yes, our beautiful sister Edith say, "Oh, me na pardon the noise." Now, no say I be mother too. When preparing the food, then we still dey gist our gist, dey talk our talk. The life of KEMZY, she don come outside. Ekeme, yes, she whether she dey fear to mention her cousin name or but at the end she mention her cousin name. Yes, the girl she pick a lot of things out of the video when her cousin sister do. If you never watch that video, go and watch the video, whether it's sister channel something. Now their new channel. When her first channel before, I don't know whether my voice clear. If my voice not clear, maybe I'll go probably not too much. Oh Papa God. Now cough for weather. You know, if when I go watch am by myself, I just pick some points inside. Ekeme, you call her auntie. You know, when senior don't they try to bring himself down, this is what he get. This is what she or he get. You know, those girls, they come outside, give her to reactor, say now them be the 100% problem of white history. Though the girl say she still stand. My beautiful sister, the life of KEMZY. No, you're not supposed to talk like say you still stand your stand. Now your cousin bring una matter come out. Now your cousin shade her cousin. You understand? You're not supposed to blame any reactor. If you not come outside, nobody go know wetin you eat. If you not tell me say seafood when you eat, me Naija Daughter Family TV, I not go know wetin you eat sleep. You see am? Then now your cousin come outside when you say you give am back to reactor. Remember you still get senior. When you insult your senior not dey direct insult to junior. They will direct am to senior when you go pay you. Na so e dey be. Make you understand for that one for them. You know, as you talk your own, say it's good to appreciate. Say many people there on this street when they never monetize for 2 years. That is true. You know, some of people when they get umbrella, who shade them, who support them, they don't really know the words. They don't really know they don't really know the struggle on YouTube. I'm so happy and I'm so happy for me to hear her for your mouth say you even know say the struggle is not here. You know how your sister take pay and you know your sister growth. You know the struggle when your sister pass through. But no any of una pass her through, she just carry una along. Say many family members there, they don't want to show you how to fish, but they rather give you the fish inside. I pray may Ekeme pick for this UK family, pick for this your words. It not be by age and it not be by I senior you. Your junior one can get sense packs you. And this your analysis when you analyze so I really like am because you know when you talk about your mercy, I see the pain. No man, the first time when you come outside, you address UK as auntie. But look today now, you say UK. When you even talk auntie, you throw away the auntie because nobody will see when your cousin, when you dey respect, she's insulting your mom. You say your sister, though you not call her your sister. Editorial mom call the lady, the UK. The UK say if he call her again, she go insult her. And editorial husband call am, she say if he insult am again, he go insult her. And the editorial try to make peace with Ekeme. Ekeme no want rest for the matter. You dey see this issue so. This issue dey say Ekeme get editorial secret when you want burst out. And if you burst am out, nobody will not get secret, my dear sister. Whether your sister don't fair do anything before, whether you don't the street, as you talk, say you suffer, you do this. Many of us, we get our own story to tell. If you bring your sister, Ekeme na here I talk to UK family. If you bring your things out, remember they say I will use to look you. Maybe you know what you they do now. For you to open your mouth say you want insult your auntie is very wrong as I see talk. As your sister to you now, I pray, may you learn and may you let bygone be bygone. And she still talk say, if the person share you should learn how to appreciate, and person fit even help you. Now see then the person come dey receive some character, some attitude for you. That is true. Some of us we get that character. When you dey try to help person, you come dey see this some character. Then for the person to drop you out for one corner, people come dey look am like bad thing. No be bad thing, because you feel like say other way dey when you take do am. Then they go ignore you, leave you. Then she still make sure say if you can't help anybody, don't start what you can't do. But when doing it, the person they show like wetin you dey do, you know, wetin they never see before. Then may you try shift that person, put for one corner. I didn't feel the girl analysis. I didn't feel the girl talk. I feel her vibe. I tell you more wisdom, okay? But don't ever insult your senior as you talk. You get senior too. Imagine as a Kemi say you want to insult your mom now. How you feel like Kemi, no, they call her UK before. You call her auntie, but today, because of that word when you receive, you take that auntie from her and you give her real name. You see her Donald, her real name be that. Don't ever insult anybody. I mean, they tell you, this my oath now. They use the same message to you. The life of KEMZY. Don't ever insult anybody when it's senior you, because when you direct that insult to your senior, that your senior will not just direct that insult to you. She will direct that insult to your loved one when it's senior you. When you know, say if you insult, it go pain you. So that our parable say, oh, who me not waiting here. That is now ahead. How I want to put the end by senior. Yeah, let me put it like that. Senior by senior. Don't ever insult your senior, so that your loved one will not hurt when they go insult your loved one when it's senior that person. It go too dey painful. Now this one I get to talk, my beautiful people. May una pardon the noise. May una pardon the noise. As I dey make food, I say may I do am. Wetin una think? May una drop am the comment section. May una not tire. Till Ekeme realize her mistake, say wetin she dey do, you know, go say as e take insult person husband. If editorial, and if you be woman for there, your house, you no get, your husband no get, never you give up. Say na man supposed to do. If man they do, they know they hear am. But if we women they do, you they hear am for outside. That is wrong for us. That is why we the Africa we still there backward. See Oyibo people today. Then your sister will come outside. You know if you blast that your sister. If her own good, may go face her own. UK no come out again. Editorial no come out again. UK stop all those things. It dey your hand 100%. My people now here for stop. I'll see you in my next video. Maybe I watch short video when I drop about the life of KEMZY.
But I mean, everybody knows who she's talking to. And then she was saying that she made mention of the fact that the person helped many people opened up a channel. Okay, if the person has introduced like 20 persons into this YouTube business, 10 of them maybe did not show interest, and then 10 picked interest. Now that those 10 picked interest, why is she now making it look like she did something very big that somebody else hasn't done? Why is she saying, or why are people saying that she's jealous, or she hates them, or she hates the person, or why are people saying that she has betrayed somebody? Looking at the whole thing she said and looking at how everything is just going, number one, I feel like it's not a bad thing to help somebody. I mean, this YouTube business is not, yes, some people actually strive on their own to actually do it. For Editorial, or for the person she's talking about, the person strived on her own to actually learn everything about this job. The person was courted, she paid money where she needed to pay money, she paid promoters where she needed to pay promoters, she did a lot of things because she was the only member of the family that was into this business at the time when she started. And she did it to the grace of God, that she saw that it was lucrative, and she invited every other person to come into the business. So I think from that part, that is very good of her. Some people will not invite their family members to come into this business in as much as it is productive or not. If they see that he's making money, they would rather want to be giving out money than inviting others to come to this business, so that the person will not actually, or the people will not actually grow rich as them. But I feel that person that she's referring to actually did a very good job in terms of referring other people, I mean bringing people into this business. So that's okay. The person also helped some people, but she didn't help them to the fullest. She carried them and then she dropped. Actually say that is not nice. I feel like if you want to help somebody, especially if you want to make impact in their lives or something, if you want to be remembered in their lives, I feel like you should do it to the fullest. If you cannot start something, if you cannot finish something, don't even start it, because it's not going to make sense that way. So if you want to help somebody, help them to the fullest. Don't carry them and drop them somewhere. But let's think about it. If I want to help you, and I'm willing to help you. For me to maybe accept to want to help you, that means in my mind, I want to help you. So what if the two of us now come to an agreement that will help you, but along the line, you either annoy me or you betrayed me? Betrayal now does not mean that you did something that I don't like. Maybe you insulted me. Maybe you disrespected me. What if you do those things and I don't like it and I decide to, okay, since it is obvious you've grown wings, because we're all humans. Let's just analyze it that way. You've grown wings, so you feel like you can disrespect me, or you feel like you can annoy me, or you feel like you can just do bad things to me while I am wanting to help you. Definitely, I'm going to break that bridge. I'm going to just like, okay, you know what? You can go and look for the help somewhere else. So what if that is what happened? That the person that wanted to help somebody now stops helping the person halfway or left the person halfway. So sometimes I just try to look at things in two angles. Certain extent, if somebody helps you and show you the way to actually gain maybe riches or wealth, you should be forever grateful to that person. Now, forever grateful, I do not mean you should worship that person. I do not mean you should adore that person. I do that you show some level of gratitude to that person. I mean, if I become rich today because of what my friend did to me, for sure that my friend should not leave my head. Like at the back, somewhere in my mind, I should be like, whenever I hear that person's name, I should be like, oh, this person, if you don't be this person, I know for the year, you're just a little bit grateful. Even though the person annoys me to a very large extent, because of what that person did to me, I'm supposed to be like, this will be this way this guy do for me. Wait here for Dwam. You understand? That kind of thing occurs. You should be like, if another person do this way this person do me, to people, no matter what they did, provided they impacted a positive thing in our minds, like in our hearts, we should not always forget them. That is why I see everywhere on social media, like on the street of YouTube, where they say people betray people and helped you grow your channel, you're not grateful. It's actually a very bad thing, because we know here on YouTube, upcoming YouTubers will attest the fact that for you to gain 1,000 subscribers without knowing anybody, like without your auntie or your cousin being a celebrity, like a YouTube celebrity already or so, it's very hard to gain 1,000 subscribers, and 4,000 watch hour is even the one that is busting brain. It's very hard. So if somebody pushed you, shared your video, supported you in one way or the other, and you managed to get that thing through that person, you should be forever grateful. If forever grateful, don't get me wrong. You won't know that person helped you because you did not go through the hard way. If you had gone through the hard way, or if you had seen people that have been on YouTube for like 2 years without getting monetized, that's when you know that me that I was monetizing within 1 year, like it is really something to be very, very grateful for. Many people have paid people thousands of money. I know somebody that pays another person 70,000 naira just to share one video. So then the second video is out, and you're telling her not to respond. You're telling her not to respond. If it were you, what would you do? No, let's be frank here. If you want to ignore something and then you see something the first time and you get responses like don't react, like coming with so much energy than the first one, are you still not going to react, or you just be calm? They say silence is good, but then some silence are not golden. Some silence are not just golden enough. There is going to be how you'll be silent. It's now look like, or you are a nobody, or maybe those things are true, because it is looking like this thing is more than saying, and it is true. This is more than peace, because the peace they are even fighting for is calm. Peace has moved on. God will help her and she'll get monetized. But I don't know why everything is just coming. And then she came out to clear the hair. I mean, to clear, just clear small. Because she said that, I've been silent for a whole lot of time and I'm no longer going to take it. She said that she has helped UK Family Show in many ways, both in business and on YouTube, and that she has loved her like she loved herself. And so she also said that her mom, Editorial said that her mom has called UK, and UK has told her mom that she's going to insult her if she calls her again, which I feel is very disrespectful. I mean, I thought they were supposed to be sisters. So if Editorial's mom actually called UK, and UK said that she's going to insult her, that's so disrespectful. That means that means everybody's ready for violence. And then Editorial also went ahead to say that even her husband has called UK, and UK has told the husband that she's also going to insult him if he does anything again.